The surah that the Prophet ﷺ said that the one who recites it every night will be protected from the punishment of the grave. And some of the scholars said it prevents one from doing the deeds that warrant the punishment of the grave. And its virtue and its recitation itself prevents the punishment of the grave. It is such a beautiful and powerful surah. So much so that the Prophet ﷺ said in another narration, Suratun min al-Quran, 30 ayah, tashfa'u li sahibiha, that there are 30 verses, one surah in the Quran, that will show up on the Day of Judgment, 30 verses, and will intercede on behalf of its companion. One narration he said, خَاصَمَتْ لِصَاحِبِهَا. It will continue to argue on behalf of its companion, حَتَّى يُغْفَرَ لَهُ, until that person is certainly forgiven by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the Prophet ﷺ said that is تَبَارَكَ الَّذِي بِيَدِهِ الْمُلْكِ, Surah al-Mulk, with its 30 verses, showing up on the Day of Judgment, arguing on your behalf, saying, Ya Allah, forgive him. Ya Allah, protect him from the punishment. Ya Allah, enter this person into Jannah.